that starts with the letter B?
Is it just whoever says it first?
Yeah.
Bulgaria.
All right.
Get freaking ready.
That starts with the letter M.
Minnesota.
Mississippi.
Who's the main character on The Big Bang Theory?
Sheldon.
Sheldon is correct. Which president is on the $5 bill?
Abraham Lincoln.
All right. And what is the capital of Canada?
Toronto.
Syrup.
Actually incorrect.
Oh, I'm channeling my thoughts. I don't know. I'm lost here.
The correct answer was Ottawa. Capital of New York.
Albany.
Your prize today for winning this trivia tournament is one whole cookie coin. Congratulations,
Thank you so
Dominic.
much. This is my second one.
I'm so proud
I'm
of you.
undefeated.
He is undefeated.